Hello creatives, welcome to our YouTube channel again, Wrapped Creative Academy. So today we are looking at Adobe Illustrator interface. The Adobe Illustrator interface is designed to produce a comprehensive workspace for creating and editing vector graphics. Here is an overview of its main components. Number one, the menu bar. So menu bar is where most of the tasks start from. So the menu bar is located at the top and consists of commands and features. For example, file, where we create new files, where we save files, where we export files and change document setup from. The next one is edit, where we have undoing, redoing, cut, paste options, and color settings and all. Preferences, where we can adjust the settings of Adobe Illustrator. Then the next one is object, where we have object transformation, where we have grouping and ungrouping, locking. All these actions can be active if you have anything in the workspace here. Then another one is type, where we have all to do with fonts, like choosing fonts, where you can choose all the fonts that you have on your computer. It shows you recent fonts, sizes, changing case, lowercase, uppercase, and all to do with text. Then another one has select, where we have selecting options like selecting inverse, deselecting, reselecting, selecting same object with same properties. Then another one on the menu bar, effects. So we have quite a number of effects, from 3D effects, converting to shapes, distortion and transform. Quite a number of effects here, shadows, glows, so many here. So this view gives us options of how we can preview our Adobe Illustrator, from presentation modes, zoom in, zoom out, artboard options, and snapping. Then window, where we find most of the hidden other tabs in our software. So just in case you happen to lose any tab, you can find it from window. This is where they're hidden. The last one being help, in case you need Illustrator help, Illustrator tutorials, and sign into your account. Then about Illustrator. So that is the menu bar. Then it consists of the tools panel. So since we know that Adobe Illustrator is a creating and an illustration tool, most of the work is done using the tools. So in these tools we have creating tools, we have the selecting tools, and editing tools. In one of our next videos we are going to be talking about tools specifically. Then we have the control panel below the menu bar. The control panel basically consists of options based on the tool you click. As you can see, if I click on, for example, the artboard tool, it will change to the artboard tool options. If I click on the text tool, it will change to the text options, things like stroke, things like character, paragraph, and opacity. If I go back to the selection tool, to bring document setup, opacity, stroke. Then we have the properties panel. So the properties panel is on the far right of Adobe Illustrator, and this provides quick access to frequently used settings like align, settings like character, paragraph, type, strokes, gradients, appearance, and layers. At the bottom we have the status bar. The status bar contains the zoom level at which you can zoom in the software and make this fit on screen. It contains the artboard that we have. Right now it is showing one because we have one artboard. It contains the panning options. Then we have the workspace switcher. So Illustrator has a number of workspaces, from automation, essentials, classic, painting, so many, depending on what you want to do. We are going to see them in details in the next video. And then lastly, how to customize your interface. So Adobe Illustrator is highly customizable. You can readjust and move all the tools to any side that you want. For example, I can move my tools panel and bring it there, make it a floating shelf. I could bring it here. I could move this and put it here. I could move this and put it right here. I could have this, put it here, then bring this and put it down here. So according to what works for you, you can adjust these panels to any side or any space that you want. And if you want to put this back the way it was, you just go to Window and go to Workspace and Reset Layout. Depending on any workspace you're in, you just click Reset Layout. If you're in Essentials, it will show Reset Essentials. If you're in Typography, it will say Reset Typography. So in this case, we're going to click on Reset Layout and everything will go back to its original position. Alright, in the next video, we're going to look at the Adobe Workspaces. Thank you.
Introducing Wrapped Multimedia Agency, where creativity meets storytelling. At Wrapped, we specialize in bringing your brand's vision to life with stunning visuals, captivating content with professional production quality. Whether it's a corporate video, commercial, or creative project, we craft compelling idealization that resonates with your audience. Let us wrap your story in excellence. Ready to make an impact? Partner with Wrapped Multimedia Agency and turn your ideas into unforgettable visual experiences.